Hello guys, you might be knowing that Aspentech is providing free certificate courses in their different tools. So I'm just briefing about that, how to register that course and how to get the certificate. So here we are on homepage of Aspentech website. So I will provide this link. You can type from here also. I will provide this link in description also, so you can directly go from there. So below here you can see different certification courses are listed. So out of that you can choose in whichever you want to do the certification. This is a free of cost, but there is a one code. So I will tell you what is the code to avail this free certification. So for example, this is a Aspen HYSYS user certification exam. So this expert user certification exam is not a free. This one user certification exam is a free. So I am just clicking on that. So you can see more details about this course, what is the name of the course, and the certification will be valid for 3 years. Then the duration will be 4 hours, and there will be 56 question. There will be exam, so there will be 56 questions, and in that you have to get 70% marks. So level is a Aspen certified user, and I have selected Aspen HYSYS. So exam preparation training is not required, however it's highly recommended. So you can see these links, not much important. Then exam guidelines. So instructor will give you the training. So it will be 4 hours training as it is mentioned at the top. So after the exam, so you will get the results in 2 weeks, and once you get the 70% marks, you will get the certificate, and then you can use that certificate. You can mention in your CV, you can mention in your curriculum, you can publish it on your LinkedIn or social media. So here are the location wise and language wise list. You can see this is Spanish, then English, and dates. So when these training are conducted, when these trainings are to be conducted, and the time zone, Mexico, UK, and start time to end time. So here you can see it is showing $150. Okay, but as I told you, it is a free of cost. So I will tell you how to avail this free certification, how to waive off this $150. I will let you know. So here I am selecting this Singapore time zone, not this one. This is on 15th July. So I will opt for this one, 20th of May, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Singapore time. Click on register. So then your screen will be diverted to the registration cart, and here you have to use this code. Promotional code is a free ACU, FREEACU. Once you click on apply promotion, you can see here your minus $150. So subtotal is a 0. So meaning it is a free of cost. So you can click on checkout. Then you need to fill your details. Here I am filling my data. Let's say Sandeep Gundap. Her company is a Japan Gas Corporation. So if you are a student, instead of company, you can mention your university name. So once you fill the data, it is the last step. Just after continue the registration, click on continue registration, and you'll be prompted to the confirmation screen. So what is the course you have selected, and you can double check here. Total amount is $0, and here you can confirm your registration by clicking on confirm registration. So done. So you just remember the date, for which date you have opted, date and time also, and even time zone also. So Singapore 2 p.m. so means it will be 11:30 in India, something like that. You have to remember these things, and so keep learning. So definitely this certificate is directly from the AspenTech, and I am sure it will be helpful for you. So all the best.